Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Google Chrome default browser in Windows 11. Google Chrome is one of the best web browser. Many people install this software for fast browsing, but in Windows operating system, it is not default browser. So you must install the browser first. After installed, if you would like to make the default browser, then you have to do some setup. This video explains how you can set up the Google Chrome is the default browser in Windows 11. In your Windows 11 computer, you have to go to settings. Here you have to click on the apps. Then you have to click on the default apps. Here you have to search by Chrome. So you have to click on the Google Chrome. Make Google Chrome your desktop browser. You have to click on the set default. You can check it out. Now the default browser has been changed as Google Chrome. You can also change if you open the PDF file, it will be open by default in Microsoft Edge. If you would like to change, you have to click on this. Then you have to select the Google Chrome, then click OK. You can change as a SVG file also. So one by one you can change as a Google Chrome. So now if you open any one of file, by default it will be open in Google Chrome browser. In this way you can set up a Google Chrome as a default browser in Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.